Okay, today we're going to be looking at a site called Tunegaga, and we're going to be looking and seeing whether it is possible to actually earn $100 a day just by watching videos. Because that's obviously what they claim on their website. So I'm going to do a bit more investigation into this site and show you exactly how you're going to earn. So let's dive straight into it and head over to the desktop and we'll do the Tunegaga review. Okay, so we've come on to the Tunegaga website here, and as you can see here, it says it's a platform that pays you real money, not points for watching ads. Okay, and those ads are video ads that people have put on YouTube, just videos on YouTube that you can actually just click on and watch and get paid. And we're going to show you exactly how how easy it is to do that in a short while. So let's quickly run down. So what is Tunegaga? So obviously it says it's the only platform that pays you for watching online videos. Not true. There are other video sites out there which actually do pay you to watch videos. So they're not the only one, guys. Quick video there. Obviously it's saying about downloading their Android app. Don't download anything yet until you've watched this video right to the very end, because I'm going to uncover some secrets that you may want to actually take on board before actually starting to go and watch the videos in Tunegaga. So it basically says here, how does it work? It says you obviously log in and watch a short video. You can make up to 30 to 60 pence, so that's near enough $1 by watching a simple video. And then it also says here, when you reach £15 in the UK, which is about 20 odd dollars, you can withdraw it to your bank account, Bitcoin wallet. Every payday is on Tuesday or Friday. And you can also refer a friend as well, and you can earn more from him or her for every video they watch. Doesn't actually tell you exactly how much though. So it just goes into a little bit here, why choose Tunegaga. And as you can see here, it's saying Tunegaga is very legit. Well, why would you actually need to say it's legit on your website? You just need to actually say what the benefits are of joining. So let's scroll down some screenshots here of people obviously earning big money, $450 and all that sort of thing. And if we go down again, this is what it says. They've got 544,000 happy users, nearly 20,000 online members, and they've paid out over £3.1 million. 3.1 million pounds. That is a phenomenal amount. So it's also saying here, see recent, you can view recent payments. So if you want to look into that, and they've got FAQs here as well, so you can go down and expect that. And one of the ones you want to look at, obviously it says here, how can I earn more on Tunegaga. Says that free accounts have limited earnings. Well, we're going to prove in a short while that free accounts can't earn anything. So you have to upgrade. But it's also saying that to the premium plans, you can earn £75 daily. So that's near enough $100 daily with Tunegaga. Also says down here, you can also refer friends and family and earn 8 pence to 15 pence for every video they watch. That is a really high amount. So let's dive into Tunegaga. It's very easy to actually go and join, and it's free to join, like they say. And all you have to do is obviously click on free, sign up now. It's free, and then you just fill in a bit of information. Now, once you're actually inside Tunegaga, I've actually just gone in and tested it in the last couple of days. When you actually join for free, you get a free trial account that actually gives you 14 days. Okay. Now, bear in mind that they've said that you have to hit £15 to actually be able to pull out. You can only actually click on 3 videos per day, and you only get 30 pence per day. So that's 90 pence per day. Now, if you work that out, 90 pence per day, the 14 days free trial, that's going to be under £14. It's going to be about £12.60 you're going to be able to earn but you can't pull out until you get to £15. So you're not going to be able to earn as a free member, guys. But how you can earn, very, very easy. Start earning here. You just click on there, click on the Tunegaga TV. Opens up another tab, which is basically embedded YouTube videos. You just click on one of these. So we'll click on this one here. And all you do is click start. Okay, and that's going to start now. And there's a timer here that actually drops down, and you've just literally got to do 30 seconds, and then you can obviously click to credit it. So I'm just going to stop the video now, stop recording, and come back. Right, so stop the video at 30 seconds, and as you can see, it says here I've been credited. So I click on the credited, and I literally come back to my dashboard. And as you can see, I've had 30 pence added to my current balance. So that's how easy it is to actually go and earn the money, guys. But there is some real weird things here. To get paid 30 pence per video for 30 seconds view is a great figure, but there's something obviously not right here. So I've done a bit more digging, and I just want to go and show you guys that some of these things are false of what they're actually saying here. Now I went over to the who.is website. This tells me when the domain was actually registered. This is the tunegaga.com. It was actually registered back in July this year. So if we go over to their main website again and we scroll down, it actually says that they've actually paid out over £3.1 million. Okay, so if I've worked that out, it's about 120 days the website's been going. So if you produce that, if they've paid out every day since beginning, which they wouldn't have done because people wouldn't have earned on the first day enough to actually pull out. But if I'm going to be generous and say, give them 120 days, so that makes that £24,000 per day. You can't do that, guys. You can't earn that much money. You're only allowed to earn to click 3 times a day as a free member. And even if you upgrade, so let's just have a look at the upgrades. So here are the upgrade plans, guys. And as you can see here, you've got the free trial here, and it says you can refer obviously other people. The first minimum payout is £15, and £15 minimum payout across the board. But you can also got a maximum payout. So the maximum payout is £375, so about $400. But minimum videos you can earn daily. So you can only earn on 3 videos if you're that plan, and even 4 videos, even if you upgrade to the 29, so it's about $35, something like $39 for the first learner plan, and you still can only earn $1 and about $1.50 by only being able to click on 4 videos. Now again, even if you go up to the bigger plans here, yeah, this is just crazy money, guys. Now straight away, what springs to mind is they want you to obviously upgrade. You can't obviously earn as a free member. We've worked that out. So you need to upgrade in order to actually even earn any money. And it looks as if obviously this is a yearly fee, so you're going to be able to earn and pull out, and they may well pay out. A few of these low ones, they may well pay out, guys. So yes, it may well pay you out some money, but as soon as you get down to the bigger plans, like $450, so that's over $600 per year. It's still going to be near impossible to actually do this. I think personally they're just going to want to get you to obviously upgrade in here. We've already proved that their figures on their website don't add up. They've got some reviews on Trustpilot which actually say excellent, but if you look at them, most of them are just rubbish reviews, guys. I mean, this obviously is saying it is don't actually invest. It also says good, very fast. I mean, what sort of review is that? It's rubbish. It's really is a scam site because they want you to invest. You must upgrade your membership after 14 days. If not, you're expired and you can't get anything from there. So most of these are, yes, I agree, totally scam. Don't waste your time. Don't try and invest anything. Scam, total scam. No payments, no support. Remember, they have actually claimed their Trustpilot profile here back in August 2021. So why aren't they answering these scam reports here? Basically, because obviously they don't want to get involved in anything. I really think this is a scam. Nobody in their right mind who is going to pay to have people watch their video and pay massive amounts of money because they're going to have to be paying at least probably $1 or something per click, per view, for people to actually go and view their websites. Now, on YouTube, you can go on YouTube and you can pay to have an ad on YouTube, and it's not going to cost you probably $1 a click to get someone to actually watch the whole video, let alone just 30 seconds. So with that in mind, guys, I really do think the best thing is to probably stay away from the Tunegaga website. Certainly don't upgrade at all because you will then obviously probably may lose that money. Now you could, like I say, on the learner and the standard, you could possibly earn some money. And they may well pay out to begin with. But I've got a funny feeling as time goes on, this website is going to go and just actually fold, and people are going to lose a lot of money. And I don't want you to lose money. I want you to obviously make money and join something that's going to be long term and obviously have the fruitions that you can actually build into a business and earn money on a weekly, monthly basis, ongoing. And it has to be totally legit, guys. Like I said, I don't think this is legit. The money, the figures just don't add up. They put figures, pie in the sky figures in there. So I would definitely stay well clear of the Tunegaga website. Okay, I trust you found that interesting, useful. If you did, obviously give us the big thumbs up underneath. Make sure you obviously share this video so others can benefit from it as well. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to check out these sets of videos here. This will obviously give you more ways to earn money online. That's it for today, and we'll see you on the next video.